know that the United States ranks 49th in average life expectancy in the world? Do you know that 75% of Americans have chronic disease? And only 50 years ago, it was 1%. 74% of all Americans are overweight. 50% of our children are overweight. 50% of Americans are diabetic or pre-diabetic. And 1 out of every 3 children are diabetic or pre-diabetic. Do you have any idea how many thousands of chemicals are allowed in our food and our products that have never been tested? Look at some simple examples like food dyes, which are actually banned in Europe and many other countries, not ours. Yellow dye, petroleum product, which is associated with depression, autoimmune disease, and ADHD. Who do you know that has that? Red dye is another petroleum product. It shouldn't be in our body. It's associated with hyperactivity in children and increased cancer risk. They're in our children's cereals and candies and practically every product that we put in our bodies or put on our skin. And those are only 2 of thousands. Chemicals, preservatives, toxic fillers. It's in everything that doesn't come straight from God's garden. But you know, I still haven't heard of anybody talking about cleaning up the nano and microplastics in our food and our skincare products. They're in everything from our mustard and ketchup and mayonnaise to meat and vegetables that are grown in our stressed out soils. They all contain microplastics, and they're in huge amounts in our bottled water and nearly everything we drink. Microplastics are even being found in the placentas of our babies. Microcirculation makes up 70% of your circulatory system. Those vessels are so tiny that 100 of them could fit in something the size of a human hair, and there are around 10 billion of these in your body. Over time, these microplastic particles build and build until they block these microcirculatory vessels of oxygen and nutrients and life force. So we can't think as clearly, see as clearly, hear as clearly. Our organs don't function as well. I've been involved in natural health and energy medicine for more than 50 years. Only 5 years ago, I found an answer that has restored my health and the health of my precious family. I call it microcirculation nutrition. It's all about feeding our blood with the highest form of 100% plant molecular nutrition, nothing artificial or synthetic. So what happens when this revolutionary microcirculation nutrition enters our body? Our microcirculation relaxes, it opens up, it dilates, it accepts it, it welcomes it, so it can nourish our bodies to a whole new level. When the circulation opens up, our miraculous bodies can clean those toxins, chemicals, and even microplastics. This is the answer that we've been praying for. This is the answer that you've been looking for you and your family's health. Blessings for the health of you and your family.